Welcome to Electronics Department, Saurashtra University, Rajkot. Electronics Department is headed by founder head Dr. H. N. Pandya, a great experience in his belt. His area of research are material science, 3D printing and robotics. Second most senior person in the department is Professor Mahesh Jivani. Then Dr. Kaushik Thummar is highly skilled assistant professor and Mr. H. N. Parik also an assistant professor with innovative skills. In support department have Mr. Kamladeep Gosai, Mr. Ankit Sippara and Mr. Jatin Sablia. In admin section department have Mr. Hardik, Mr. Hitesh, Mr. Dhaval and Mr. Prakash. Department offers 4 courses which are 2-year MSc in Electronics, 5-year Integrated SFI MSc in ECI, 3-year PhD in Electronics and 1-year Diploma in Computer Hardware. Department is very much vibrant in teaching learning. All faculty members are very much experienced and practices innovative teaching learning methods such as extensive board work provides clear concept of subject where use of multimedia technology enhance the concept of understanding. Use of smart board also helps to browse latest resources in the classroom and as an need online teaching learning facility also helps those students who are not able to remain present in classroom due to COVID-19. Apart from classroom learning, innovative learning methods such as model-based learning, flipped learning, experimental learning and one-to-one learning are also practiced with rich resources of various laboratory work. Department have separate laboratory for microelectronics, embedded electronics with computer facility. Sophisticated workshop facility is an extra advantage for developing prototypes. With teaching and learning, students are also actively involved in co-curricular activities like tree plantation, showcasing of various talents through welcome and farewell functions, demonstration of local culture through food festivals, testing physical stamina through various sports, real-life experience through various industrial educational tours. Electronics department is very much engaged in cutting-edge research like development of low-cost 3D printing, IoT applications, development of smart agricultural tools and based on these research. Department also organize workshops and seminars for imparting knowledge amongst peers and also sharing experiences with school kids for developing their science projects. Department have strong vision for future and every single decision is come out as team decision through staff council. All electronics department is vibrant in every aspects. Students are enjoying their campus life and enjoying peer learning as well. Thank you for being with us for virtual journey of electronics department. Drop yourself at electronics department for real experience. We are shaping dreams. Come and join us.